Hi guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to upload music to Soundcloud. What you need to do? First you need to go to soundcloud.com and then you need to log in. If you don't have account, then you need to create account. Just watch some video on YouTube how to create account, or maybe I can create a video later. Okay, now you have account, then you need to click on upload. Then I need to choose if I want to the music to be public or private. I will choose the music here from the file. I click here. Okay, now I will choose one. I will choose this one, Army Blue. Okay, here is the title, Army Blue. Then I can add tags here if I want, and describe. You can write something here if you want to describe it, and there you choose either public or private, and here you can upload image, and then just I click save. This is what you need to do. Please don't forget to click like, and if you are not subscriber yet, just subscribe in the channel. And if you have any questions, any suggestion, any idea, just you can leave them on the comment below. Thank you and see you.